All right, wood steering wheel is on. Yeah, buddy. Got that sucker on there. That bad boy's coming off. I got this thing off. That was sitting up in there. You can see where I took it off. Yeah, left a big chunk of metal. That was blocking. That was sitting in there like this. I just dremeled the one side and then bent it back and forth till it snapped off finally. I think if you look in the 89 car, that's where the main relay is. It sits right there. So I'm thinking maybe this car used to have the main relay sitting right there and then they moved it to like up here. But then I moved it to over here because I used the 95 EX. But the other one was like mounted to this fucking thing. So I don't know. But anyways, bada bang, bada fucking boom. That's gonna be perfect. It's gonna go back on there. That's gonna replace. Sorry. That's gonna replace this. That's the only thing that was there, and it looked totally fucking weird. So I don't know what they were doing with that. Yeah, I don't know. So there's that wood steering wheel. NRG is on. Looking good. I'm trying to figure out the blinker shit. I was going to try and replace this whole bottom part, but that is the whole dash. It's the whole fucking dash. Because I just wanted to replace this, but I'm going to have to pop the other one out and maybe glue it on or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But for now, steering wheel's on. Brackets out. Ashtray's going in. Or little coin purse thing's going in. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so the original switch, it's getting a little dark here. The original switch for the rear defroster wasn't working, so I grabbed the other one off the 89, which is on that car over here, and put it, funny enough, fits just perfectly right in there. So grabbed the other one, rewired them, grabbed the other one, grabbed the pigtail off the other one, cut it, wired them all together, plugged it in, and boom! Rear window defroster! Fuck yeah! And I'm gonna put my dash back together. And that's that. Yes! The next morning, I realized that the steering wheel is slightly askew. So I'm gonna probably fix that right after I get done doing this update. Just wanted to show you that during the daylight here, what it was that I was talking about. I took the old plug and wires from the 89 LX, wired them in, same exact colors, and the switch, which sat over here like this, lengthwise, now sits vertical, and it slides into that hole perfectly. It's a little askewed because of the wiring in the back there, but it fits in, it goes in perfectly flush. Looks great. That'll do. I've got this guy. Going to probably just glue that in place. Maybe steal a piece of trim or something off the other car and get that all filled in down there. It's broken. Yeah. But that's what I did. I got the cowling back on, so that looks pretty good. Looks nice in here with that wood grain steering wheel. What I just finished doing was the back door wouldn't roll down and the handle was stuck. It kept sticking up, if you remember from the first video. So what I did was take this off. This guy was pinched in here like that. Popped it out. It looks like it's been messed with because it's unclipped. The zip tie's cut. It was also shoved in there. So at some point I'm gonna have to go through and figure out what was done to it, because the gaskets are missing there. But yeah, but it works now. I don't have the keys in there. But this guy I hit up with just a ton. It was just gunky, so I hit it up with a ton of liquid wrench. Used the chain and cable, lube. Just sprayed it all in there a bunch of times, ran it up and down, over and over again. And boom, works perfect. Perfect. Just a little gunk. But today, one of the other things I did was the headlight. As I was driving around last night, was way high up in the air, so I was blinding everybody. I know it. So I've been working on getting this centered. I've almost got this one where I want it. I just gotta zip tie it into place, pretty much. I'm gonna have to order some new ones. I know I will. This one is sturdy. She's in there. The wiring on this was dirty, so I hit it with some electronics cleaner, some of the aerosol, the red can, the CLC stuff, whatever it is. That didn't seem to help it any. Went in there and bent the connectors down a little bit, clipped it in and out a couple times. Seems to work perfect now. No more intermittent light failure. This guy's getting crushed by the air tube currently. That I believe is the red and white one I believe is it's the green and white one. The passenger side seatbelt works fine, but the red and white one doesn't. Or looks like, you know what I'm trying to say. The red and white one goes to the driver's seat and it doesn't work. Still thinking about this. I got rid of the charcoal canister, which just basically recycles the fumes left over from when you started. Old map sensor delete, just unclipped it. One bolt right there, just pulled it out. I'm gonna sell that, throw it on eBay for like 20 bucks or something. Somebody needs it. Got the idle set right where I want it, a little higher than it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be 670 for this engine, give or take 50. Seems a bit excessive. Seems awkward, but yeah, that's about all for that. That's about all I've managed to get done today. Came home and landscapers were in my driveway for like an hour and a half. So I just kind of cleaned up the garage a little bit. Did a little bit of video research on hooking up the reverse wiring for a backup light switch. Doesn't seem hard. I'm just being lazy about wiring. Took too much out of me, put too much into it. But yeah, deleted off that. Just kept it plugged in because when I unplugged it, the car decided it didn't like that very much. I just kept it plugged in. I'm just gonna block it off, vacuum off it. Block off the vacuum on that. Just ran from the because this went from the top of the throttle body into the charcoal canister. Charcoal canister went back into that thing, and then also up into the map sensor, and then also went the map sensor, the solenoid, the EGR solenoid or whatever that is, went up over here to the map sensor, and that basically just told the engine that it had fumes in the tank and that it was usable, and it was going to try and use those to start up. It's just economically friendly, environmentally friendly, but I don't need it, don't want it. Causes vapor lock, I've noticed. Come to think of it, I haven't emptied that since I took that off, so it should still be nice and suctionified. See if I can get the sound. No, I didn't do it that time. Weird. I don't know, it's threw 15 bucks in it a couple days ago, or yesterday. Yeah, looking to be good, looking good. Alright, that's it. Tomorrow I'm getting off early. It's supposed to be nice and beautiful, so hopefully I'll be able to tint the windows and paint the trim. Get the outside of this thing. I gotta wash it because she's dirty. She's dirty. Yeah, she's dirty. So I'm gonna wash it, shine it up nice, and I'm gonna get it going. I'm gonna pull this off. Go down to metal. I'm gonna leave these. These are beautiful. These look brand new all the way around, so I'm leaving the bottom ones. I'm gonna put the visors on, paint it all black, put the visors on, switch out the mirrors. Still gotta figure out what's going on with the power mirror situation. So hopefully I can do all that tomorrow afternoon. Get off work at like 9:30 and just beat it home. Get rid of this decal, this stupid line. Got red and orange. What I did get in the mail was some cool decals that I've been waiting for. This is the big banner I got, and then also I got the single overhead cam VTEC. I ordered black. He sent me silver, which is the same as this. I ordered black. They sent me silver. They never got to me. These guys got to me, and they're sending me the black ones. I feel bad. I emailed them. I told them it was funny. I'll send them back the one I don't use. They told me to keep it, so but I don't know anybody else that's in the Hondas. I'm the only one. I'm the only one. So we'll see. There's some silver. It's hard to tell, but that's silver. It's just as silver as this guy, which is very silver. I was gonna go on the bottom of my car. I have on this car, I don't think you'll be able to see it, but it says down here. That's where I put the banner last time. Where's Waffles? It's a gorgeous decal. Came out awesome. Went on super awesome. Ordered from the same people. It's kind of nice. I liked how the black mixed in with the thing and you couldn't really tell that it was there unless you'd looked for it. So maybe the silver will fit in with the white on the car. But that's tomorrow. I'm going to figure all that out tomorrow. I'm tired of working on brain and spine and bones. It's time to do some skin work on this bad boy. So, you know what they say, no matter where you go, there you are.